Sixth period. Good morning to you. I hope you're having a good day. I hope you had a great snow day. Tell me, why did the boy bring a snowball to school? Because he thought it was snow and tell. I'll give you guys a few minutes to laugh. Okay. Keep laughing. Okay, now you stopped. All right, guys, I'm out today, obviously. I need you to work hard, do your very best. The agenda is on Classroom. I'm going to go through it right now with you. I want you to read it carefully. The very first thing you need to do on Classroom is go through the economics test tough ones that are on Classroom. Up here somewhere. I can bring it up for you. So these are all of the questions that most of us got wrong on our test. Take your time. I want you to highlight the answer choice that you think is correct. So click on the choice and then get up here and highlight it, whatever color you choose. All right? Do that for each question. It's fine with me if you want to do it with your shoulder partner. All right? But just your shoulder partner. Don't be getting up and moving around. Please. Thank you. So when you are finished with the tough ones, that should take you about 10 minutes if you're really taking your time and thinking about them. From there, I want you to go to CNN 10 for today. And actually, I want you to go to CNN 10, but watch Tuesday's show. There's a link right here. So you're going to click on it, and you're going to watch it. And when you're finished, you're going to open the Google form and complete that. This is very important because the CNN 10 that I want you to watch relates to our next unit, which is citizenship. So Carl Azus is going to talk about this thing called asylum. And that means that citizens of another country that are not safe in that country are allowed to come to the United States so that they can be safe. However, those rules may change. So I want you to be aware of this. I want you to watch and listen to CNN 10 and then answer the questions on this form. This is part of your grade, so I want you to take it seriously. After you complete the Google form on CNN 10, I want you to go to iCivics. Remember, we set up accounts on Wednesday. But I know there were 4 of you that were absent on Wednesday. So, Yahira, there were 2 more people that were absent. I'm sorry, I can't remember who else was absent. You guys need to go to iCivics for the first time and enter the code that I gave everybody else on Wednesday. And I'll bring the code up right now. It's under my classes. The code is STONE 98249. So if you weren't here on Wednesday, ask a classmate how to get on iCivics. Everybody else will go to play games. You will play the game called Immigration Nation, which we previewed on Wednesday. You will need to decide who should be allowed entry into the United States. This game requires you to think about your answers if you're going to get them right. All right? When you finish playing a game, and it will take you about 25 minutes, maybe even a half hour, when you finish, you need to complete the Google form on Immigration Nation. This is part of your classwork grade. Your 2 classwork grades are CNN 10 and Immigration Nation. It's only 2 questions. Check boxes. Who is allowed to enter the United States? And then finally, tell me your high score on Immigration Nation. Okay. Those are the things I need you to get through today. If you finish early, you may watch another CNN 10. You may complete a new vocabulary, set number 1 only, and the definitions are on Classroom. Or you may complete an economics crossword puzzle or play another iCivics game. Above all else, please be polite and courteous to your substitute. Play like a champion. I will see you on Monday. Take care, guys.